सदर कुल हिंद मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन व रुकन पार्लियामेंट हैदराबाद बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी और कायद मुकर्रर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने तेलंगाना राष्ट्रीय समिति के सदर चंद्रशेखर राव के मकान पहुंचकर मुलाकात की। इस मुलाकात में मुख्तलिफ उमूर पर बातचीत की गई। इस मौके पर सदर मजलिस बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी, कायद मुकर्रर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी, अमीनुल हसन जाफरी और दीगर लोग मौजूद थे।
Today, I along with my party leader and MLC Mr. Syed Aminul Hussain Jafri, we had met who is the president of TRS and is going to be the next first chief minister of the Telangana new state. I congratulated him on his victory and we assured him our full cooperation for the overall development of the new state of Telangana, and we hope that Telangana would become in the future one of the best performing states in India. And we had given him some of our suggestions. Number one, I'll just say it in brief. That is, we wanted the new logo of Telangana to also include Charminar. Secondly, we had requested him and said that Urdu is a very important language in Telangana, so it should be given a joint first language status. Thirdly, regarding Hyderabad city, the people of Hyderabad are facing severe water scarcity and power shortage. And we had requested him that his new government the new government should expedite the Krishna third phase, both the third phase 1, third phase 2, and the Godavari water. Secondly, for power crisis, we had proposed that there is a shortfall of 4,000 units, and in 2019 the demand would be 75,000 units. And for that, a separate power plant is an immediate requirement for the city of Hyderabad. Another issue which we discussed was that for law and order in Telangana, we wanted this new prevention of communal violence bill, which other states did not agree rightly because law and order is state subject. We want the Telangana state to be the first state to make that act. And for the security of people of Hyderabad, we wanted the government that they should come forward and finance the erection of CCTV cameras throughout the city of Hyderabad, throughout the police commissioner of Hyderabad. And also the new foundation stone for Usmania Hospital has to be laid. And the most important point in this whole discussion was, we requested him that people of Hyderabad, lot of dues are there on power bills and water bills. Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao has assured me that after he becomes the Chief Minister of Telangana, he will definitely look into the possibility of ensuring that the dues which are there in power and water, that can be absorbed by the new state of Telangana. And if that is done, this will be a huge relief to the people of Hyderabad. We had proposed that National Academy of Construction Centers, which is working in Old City, it should be created throughout Telangana. And for the whole of Old City, there is a requirement of 1,000 crores to lay new sewage lines and new water lines. And also a detailed plan we have given for the whole of Hyderabad. So he has assured us that he will positively look into it, and Hyderabad would definitely emerge as a place which will be secure, and infrastructure issues which are there which will be addressed. And I hope that with today's positive meeting which we had, I am sure a lot can be done. And this is what we have spoken to him in detail.
Sir, are you going to join in TRS government, sir?
Being part of the government as part of the ministry.
We are not interested in occupying important post of power. We are only interested in ensuring that development takes place. Our innermost desire and our dream is that this new state of Telangana should become the best state in terms of socio-economic indicators, in terms of human development indicators, in terms of secular and communal amenity over here. And this is what we will be working towards. And this is what we have assured him. So this is what we hope, and we want this to happen. And we'll give our fullest cooperation for the realization of Telangana state becoming the best performing state, wherein the poor people's problem will be addressed, and there will be peace and communal amity in the state of Telangana.
Sir, will you moving your role in Andhra also?
Of course. We have won elections over there. We have got substantial votes in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So we will definitely not only Andhra but throughout India, Maharashtra, Karnataka will be working over there.
सर अगले चुनाव में MIM और TRS मिलकर कुछ GHM से इलेक्शन चुनाव लड़ने वाले हैं क्या?
नहीं, हम GHMC के बारे में ये बोले कि ये GHMC को जो पुराना MCS था उसको बहाल करिए आप। GHMC इस तरीके से कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो सक रहा बराबर, और ये नई गवर्नमेंट रंगारेड्डी में एक और डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाने वाली है, मेदक में एक और डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाने वाली है। तो हमारा मुतालबा ये था कि भाई जो बल्दिया का जो 100 बल्दिया के ऊपर जो मुश्तमिल मजलिस बल्दिया हैदराबाद उसको बहाल किया जाए।